So I'm Dr. Manoj Krishna, the founder of Happier Me. It's a prevention-focused mental and behavioral health platform for teenagers, parents, and adults. I used to be a spine surgeon before leaving medicine to start this project. Our mission is to help reduce suffering and change the future of healthcare from reactive intervention to prevention. And here's a simple statistic that people don't know. According to the National Institute of Health, 50% of all disease is linked to stress through its impact directly on our mental health, but also through inflammation and an impact on our immunity, sleep, and substance abuse disorders which follow after that. 80% of primary care appointments in the US and UK are linked to stress. So imagine if we could empower people to deal with their challenges without stress. And here's our core idea. Our mind assumes that stress comes from the outside, from all the things that are happening in our life. But if you slow that down, you see two things are happening. There's a trigger on the outside, but there's a reaction on the inside. And it's the reaction that's creating our stress, but we don't see that. So what we're doing at Happier Me is slowing that down and helping people regulate their emotions in real time, and then be curious, why is my mind reacting in this way and the person next to me isn't stressed at all? So we empower people to take charge of their own reaction by building their self-awareness and emotional resilience. And that's the key. So the challenges of life will keep coming, but your mind can respond to them in a much more calm way. Now, our big announcement is that the mental health charity Mind in the UK has selected Happier Me for inclusion in its platform to serve the 25 million people who visit their site every year. Now, according to the National Health Service, prevention is one of their key goals going forward. And I think health systems around the world are looking at that. So if we want to protect our mental health, our physical health, we need to focus on prevention. And that begins by regulating our own emotions and understanding our own mind. With this understanding, which is really quite simple, you can protect your mental health, strengthen your relationships, avoid and overcome addiction, and develop the life skills you need to succeed in an AI world. Because AI is going to take all the knowledge skills you have and make them redundant in the sense that it can do it better. But what you're left with are your human skills, and that's what Happier Me is helping to develop. Thank you.